Hey, Chef Zoey Black in the house. I got a new recipe. Welcome to my kitchen where I'm doing cooking therapy. Yeah, I used to be a rapper in my former life, but right now I cook things in the kitchen. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Chef Zoey here, and today we're going to be making Chinese authentic Chinese recipe, egg fried rice recipe. What makes it an authentic egg fried rice recipe? You would ask me. First, we're cooking it in a wok, and I'm going to be showing you how to pre-season a wok, and I'm also going to be using some MSG. You're like, girl, you like some MSG. Girl, I like flavor. I'll use anything that gives me flavor. As long as scientifically proven not to kill me, I'll use anything that gives me flavor. Anyways, today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the step-by-step recipe on how to make this egg fried rice. And also, before I go into this video, I'm going to be asking, if you haven't subscribed, it's giving. You have no love for Chef Zoey, and Chef Zoey's gonna cry if you don't subscribe. Anyways, thank you for being a part of this video. If you're watching to this point, hit the subscribe button over there and like, share, and let's cook some authentic Chinese egg fried rice recipe, and I'll be right back to do a taste test. Let's get cooking. For you to make an authentic restaurant style egg fried rice, you need a wok. I have here my old trusty wok. It's a bit rusted, it's seen better times. I do have a humid house, so my things tend to rust even quicker. But what you need is a wok. So what I'm going to show you right now is how to, if you have a wok, I'm going to show you how to pre-season your wok just before you use it for your egg fried rice. If you don't have a wok, try to use maybe a stainless steel pan. If you don't have that, a non-stick, try to heat it up as much as you can. Get it to the hottest that you can get it to be, and that would be the best temperature for egg fried rice. Another must when making egg fried rice or authentic Chinese fried rice is using day-old rice. So since I knew I was going to be making fried rice today, I went ahead and cooked my rice yesterday and put it in the fridge, so it's already cold and cooled down. Fresh rice doesn't really work for this. If you want a darker color, you can use dark soy sauce. And as you can see, because our wok is pre-seasoned, spring onion, red chilies, So guys, this recipe, I said, is the bomb. My whole kitchen smells amazing. I'm hitting obviously every cravings I have for Chinese. I would advise when you're seasoning not to over season if you're going to pair it with sauces. If you're going to have it plain like this with some fried egg, a bit of chili oil, some crispy onions like I showed you in the video earlier, you don't need to over season. But that being said, I'm gonna go enjoy. Let's give this a taste test on its own. Every time. I don't miss at all. I don't miss. I sabi this food thing. And I'm grateful to God for the talent. So with that, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna see you next week with a new recipe. If you feel like you have any recipe you'd like me to record for you, also let me know in the comments below. If not, I'll just be forcing down everything that I like down your throat. Anyways, have a great week. Love you. Chef Zoey loves you. Jesus loves you. Bye.